Hey guys, happy Friday. I hope you're enjoying the snow. So I am in right now Google Classroom again for writing, and I have clicked on Friday's assignment, February 7th, 2020. It says to watch the video, which you are doing right now, so good job. And we're going to get right into this document and go over what you need to do. So Wednesday, you guys analyzed a cartoon with Miss Stoltz. Yesterday, you analyzed a photo on your own. And now I want you to create your own slogan and your own graphic for your opinion pieces that you are writing. Right now, am writing about organic food and how I feel that everybody should eat more organic food. So I'm going to be creating a slogan and graphic based on that. So your objective is to create a slogan and graphic for your opinion writing pieces. Think of the political cartoons we have been looking at. They're catchy, they're short, they grab your attention, and they make you want to know more. So first we're going to open the link and familiar yourself with the online tool. You're going to then need to create a slogan, something that's catchy, short, and to the point. Then you're going to make a graphic using drawings or appropriate graphics from online or pictures. All searches need to include for kids. Miss Stoltz is going to be watching you on Blocksy because she knows you're using your Chromebooks, so please make sure you're showing integrity with this. Once you are satisfied with what your graphic is or your political cartoon is, you're going to download your creation. Then you will paste it in the Your Finished PDF box. Remember that when we download these posters, it does ask you multiple options of how you want to download it, and you're always going to want to download it as a PDF. If you have any questions, please go back, rewatch this video to answer anything that you might have. So here's my poster, and we are just going to go take a look so you understand what I did. So once again, I'm trying to say that everybody should eat organic food. So here you have somebody looking very nervous to eat something. I found this image right on the website. And here is my slogan. Don't panic because it's organic. And I chose photos, just a few, of people that I thought were happy and where the food looked nice and fresh and healthy. And I just tried to make it as simple but as meaningful as possible. So now what I want us to do is get into the link and look at the website again, just to familiarize ourselves with it. So if you go back to your writing assignment, there is the link to the website. You will have to log in using your Google account. I'm already in here. So I would type in, oops, never mind. I wanted me to do it again. If you don't mind, type in poster. And this should give you a nice blank template. Once again, we talked about this. I would stay away from these ideas only because they're already so full, and I think you should probably start with something from scratch. For me, I wanted to be inspired, so I started with the photos. Once I was in photos, because we are not upgrading, and this symbol means you cannot get it without paying, I clicked the free sign. I wanted to know what images already were free for me. Then I typed in organic food. And as you can see, I had lots of options. So you might be able to find the pictures that you need right on this website. Pick a photo, you can drag it on in, and then reshape, resize, even change the different colors and brightness and edit the photo if you would so choose. You could also choose a background. I know you guys probably love these, but personally, colors are a lot easier and they create a simplified version of what you want to do, and it'll make what you're trying to say be more important. Don't throw so many images and different patterns and things. It'll look very busy, and then people will be less focused on what you're saying. For mine, I did choose a pale green color because I was trying to say, that green, fresh idea from the plants. And then if you would like to enter a text to start your slogan, you can choose any of these. I just chose the big one. You immediately start typing. Okay. You can change the color. You can change the font. There are a lot. And you may also change the size. Don't be afraid to play around. Once you are satisfied and you feel that your images, your slogan, and even your overall background all are trying to portray how you feel based off of the topic and opinion that you have taken sides with, then you can download. So you will download this. A link will come up, I believe, on the bottom of your screen. I think some of you found it on your desktop. You will copy that link after opening it and paste it in your finished PDF box, and then hit turn in. Once again, do not hit share. Please hit turn in. I can't wait to see what you guys create. Hope you guys have a good day.